Hi, I hope that you all are doing good and are safe with your families during this pandemic. So, I just want to share about my new findings. So, today I was going through the Ethereum official documentation, and there I got this very useful and this great demo of how hash block and this blockchain works. So, hash is not a new concept, it is pretty old concept of cryptography, and we use this in the cryptography and to verify the authenticity of a file since quite long. So hash is just a one-way function where you pass any document or any string or any JSON document or any physical file. So you just pass to this function and it converts it to a string. So let's say right now it's a blank. So if I put this, the hash got changed. If I put this, the hash got changed. If I try to do this, I just key value pair, then the hash got changed. So even with a simple dot or simple space, it is getting changed. So this is a one-way function, and this is what we call hash. The best part is this hash is using short 256 algorithm to convert this string to the hash function, to this hash string. So if you use short 256 function implementation in any language or in terminal or in Mac terminal, Linux terminal or in Windows CMD, so anywhere you are using, you are going to get the same hash if you are passing this string or the spaces. So if you are passing the exact input, so if input is same, then this hash is also going to be same no matter what you are putting here. If this input is same, then hash function and every time will be very same. Now come to the block part. What is the block? So go to this part. This block is the one thing is block is this number, this nonce. So nonce is just a random number which we add to put some randomness into the hash generation, and here is some data. So let's say I am putting is my name is Chetan. So now I need to mine this again. The mining is we count all these stuff, we put everything into a unique function, and then we get this value. So this is it. And you might be seeing this again change because this is completely random. So any number of time you are using this, you are mining this, the hash every time will be changed. So since this nonce is changed, so this hash will also be changed. Like if you are changing this, then this hash will change. Like if you are changing this, then again this hash will change. And this is what makes a blockchain immutable. So if anyone is changing anything, if this nonce got changed, if this block serial, because blocks are added, the transactions are added in a serial, and that serial is mentioned on all the peers. So if this serial got changed, if this nonce got changed, if its data got corrupted or got changed, then this hash will be different. So if there are, let's say, 4 or 5 or 10 peers are there, and one peer has changed the data or corrupted the data somehow, so the hash will change on that peer, and all the other peer, all the other machines are going to have a separate hash, so that we can easily identify which is a node that is corrupted, and that node will be rejected upfront. So this is how this block works, and if we put a number of blocks into a chain, then it definitely going to be blockchain. So this is how separate blocks are coming here. This is block number 2, this is block number 3, this is block number 4, this is block number 5. And what we are doing here is this is some data. Let's say uh, this is first block, right? So it is generating a hash because there is no previous block. This is kind of genesis block. So this is and once we mine this, so this hash comes here. Now the previous hash got changed, so this hash is here, this is nonce. Now I am putting this is second block and mining it again. So it is coming red because it is corrupted somehow. Some data got changed, and blockchain doesn't support the data change because it is immutable. It is write only, right? So the all the next blocks are getting changed. So if I mine this again, now mine this again. So these hashes are being stored or are being kept on all the nodes or all the peers. So this is how this blockchain works. So it is taking some time here. Now I'm mining this. So let's say there are five transaction blocks are here, and someone want to change the historical data. So now all are the green state. Now I am want to change here. I got dollar 100K. So with this change, all the blocks are changed. So if someone is corrupting the data here, then everything will be changed and this change will be rejected upfront. So this is how blockchain works. You can also read, you can also check the distributed how. So this blockchain, if right now the single peer is here, that is in the on the screen. If you put this way, so this is peer A, so this is server A that is having these 5 blocks. This is server B, and this is server C. So these can be number of organizations, these can be servers, and everyone having the complete ledger, the complete blockchain. So I got this. I thank the developer and hope you like it. Thank you.